Hello, on behalf of Rev Miners, I, Siddharth, welcome you all to our presentation on argument mining-driven analysis of peer reviews. To explain the review process, we have the authors applying to different conferences where they submit their work and try to convince the reviewers of the work. The reviewers then argue for or against the submitted work and write the peer reviews. The meta-reviewers go through these peer reviews and decide on whether the paper should be accepted or not. The entire process is limited by the number of human experts available for the given domain and requires a lot of time. We believe argument mining can help speed up this process by providing a summary or overview of the relevant arguments within these peer reviews, which include information such as the stance or the quality of the paper. Within the scope of our project, we defined and trained two different models. The detection model was used to identify and extract arguments in the scientific peer reviews, and the decision model is used to determine the acceptability of our paper. Talking about the detection model, we defined our own data set by scraping 6 different conferences using the Open Review API. We annotated some of our data using the WebAnno software by ourselves, and we checked for the inter-annotator agreement using the Krippendorff's alpha value. When we were satisfied with the acceptability of our annotations, we went into training, where we defined different detection modes and annotation levels. The reason we defined these different modes and levels was to understand at what level of granularity did our model perform the best. Once we had a well-performing detection model, we used it to annotate the rest of our data. We had a huge corpus of around 12,000 reviews, and we defined different scenarios for the training of our decision model. And first, we would use all the reviews as they are. In the second scenario, we would use top K% of the arguments out of each review. And in the third scenario, we would use random K% of arguments for each review. For training, we had a two-step process where we first trained a BERT model on these filtered data sets and defined our hidden states. These hidden states were then fed to a TOBERT model, which is a transformer over BERT model. The TOBERT has an advantage over normal BERT as it is not limited by the BERT hidden size and could accept all of these large review bodies as a single entry for each paper. Coming to our performance analysis, if you look at our detection model performance, you can see that we were able to meet the human performance in a lot of the scenarios. Another interesting point to note was that transfer learning within argument mining domains was not possible. As you could see in our ArcBERT case, where we use another argument mining data set and tested it on our peer reviews, and we were not able to achieve good performance. Generalization across the research domains is, however, possible, as can be seen from the table on the top right, where we include or exclude the graphic interface conference from our data. We achieve similar performance, indicating that it is possible to generalize across this data as well. Lastly, when we look into our peer reviews decision model, we can see that even when we use 40% or 50% of the arguments, we are still able to achieve near similar performance as the scenario where we use all the complete arguments. In conclusion, we were able to design and develop an argument-driven reviewing expert system, which is able to be applied in a generalized scenario and can potentially help speed up the review process. The work can be further complemented by looking into argument strength and looking into the similarities in arguments within the review process. We end on a happy note by stating that our work was accepted in AAAI 2021 conference. If you want to have a look at our code and data, please visit our GitHub repository. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us at the provided given information. Thank you.